London is the biggest city in the UK. It's the most popular and probably the best for tourists. It's also the most expensive. How do we use superlatives in English to compare more than two things? Hi, I'm Luke. I'm an ESL professional and I'm here to help. The biggest, the most popular, is the maximum in that category. We clearly defined our category as city in the UK. For one-syllable words, we add est. The biggest, the fastest, the oldest. For three-syllable words, we add the most beautiful, the most dangerous, the most intelligent, the most adorable. For two-syllable words, follow the rule that we learned in the comparatives video. The easiest, the dirtiest, the most careful, the most peaceful. For irregular adjectives like good and bad, we change the word completely. The best, the worst. Think about different cities in your country. Which is the biggest? Which is the most expensive? Which is the most popular? Which is the cleanest? Which is the most historic? Which is the most peaceful? And which is the best for tourists? Let's think about a different context. People in your family. Who is the oldest? Who is the youngest? Who is the most intelligent? Who is the most beautiful? Who is the busiest? Who is the best at speaking English? And who is the worst at speaking English? Write your answers in the comments below. And how do we compare just two things? Check our video on comparatives for more information.